Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Blue, leg plus oo plus N. Leg oo. Blue Lagoon. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene, and thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome as we start another week here on Classic Concentration. The man on my left is our returning champion. His name is Jim Reesing, and he has won over $12,000 in prizes, including a honeymoon vacation in Vermont. He's going to get married soon. Today, he plays our game against this newcomer, Bruce Portman. Hello, Bruce.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Thank you. Where are you from?
Well, I'm currently from North Hollywood, but I'm about to move back to my hometown of St. Louis. I've done my time here in Southern California.
Wait a minute. What do you mean you've done your time in Southern California? Southern California is beautiful.
Well, I was always told it was laid back here, but I think it's a little bit more laid back in the Midwest, so I'm going to go back to the pleasant people.
I'm sure you are correct in that. You are wearing a wedding ring.
I am. I just recently got married in September to a
California girl?
California girl, but she's been in the Midwest for about 8 years of her life, so...
So it's not going to be a big thing for her moving to Missouri?
No, not at all. She loves it there.
All right. Good luck to you today. Take a look over here, and we will show you a great addition to any home. It's Marjorie.
Baldwin's traditional style 631 upright piano made of beautiful wood veneer, fine styling, 3-ply laminated soundboard, and solid brass pedals for soft, full, and bass sustaining effects, furnished by Baldwin. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Marjorie, of course, is the best elbow-playing pianist in the world. Let's show Jim and Bruce where they can find the piano, the out-of-tune piano, at number 10. The vacation in this first game today, gentlemen, is a holiday in Tahiti.
Ooh.
That sounds good, doesn't it, Bruce?
That sounds great.
You get to pick first.
I'd love to find that piano, so let me look under number 19.
Diamond and onyx ring.
Okay, let me look for the match for that ring under number 12.
Bedroom set. No match for you, so we'll go to Jim.
Okay, right in the middle, number 13.
Electronic typewriter.
Electronic typewriter. And the match for the typewriter at number 21. Yes.
Electronic typewriter. There's a match, and it's done naturally. No wasting one of those 3 wild cards. Let's open these 2 panels for Jim. Pick again.
Number 8, please.
Green take.
All right, and the match for the green take at number 25.
No food processor there. Bruce?
Okay, let's try number 7.
Food processor?
Oh, and was that just number 20?
Oh.
Oh!
Well, you broke Jim's heart on that one. He
Sorry
figured
about that, Jim.
he was going to pick up the food processor.
I love work in the kitchen.
Yes, if you had gone 1 square lower, you'd have made the
There
natural
you go.
match.
Yeah.
Let's show him the other food processor. I was right. It is at 25. And that means that 3 panels are opening up for you.
Nope.
I don't see any way of solving the puzzle right now, so select again, Bruce.
Let's try number 6.
Living room ensemble.
I could use that. I could use a whole house full of furniture. Let's try number 14.
Handcrafted area rug. No match. Jim?
All right, let's look down at the bottom, number 23.
Piano.
And the match under number 10.
You are correct.
Great.
Can you play?
I played for a couple years, long time ago.
Oh,
I doubt
yes.
if I remember.
Must be a long time ago.
I
You're
can
so
pick it
old
up.
now.
Yeah.
Let's open it up. Pick again.
Number 19, please.
Diamond and onyx ring.
Was that right at number 14?
No, that's the handcrafted area rug.
No,
Bruce.
Good. Let's try number 11.
Handcrafted area rug.
Ooh, and number 14.
That is
All
correct.
right.
And that gives you another prize in your column and another look at the puzzle.
No.
Go again.
Let's try number 4.
Wild card.
Great. Now let's see.
What are you going to make it work with? There's
Let
a
me make
holiday
it
up there.
work with number 18.
living room
right.
ensemble. The other living room ensemble is at number 6, so 3 more panels for Bruce.
No, I still don't have it.
No? Go again.
Let's try number 2.
Red take.
I can use that. And let's look for the match for that take under number 16.
Diamond and onyx ring.
no.
So we go back to Jim.
Okay, let's go for the ring under number 19
Correct.
and number 16.
You are right. Those doors open up. Select again.
All right, let's look under number 22.
We still have a wild card up there. This is a green take, however.
Number 2.
Red take. Bruce.
Ooh. Okay, let's try number 15.
Red take.
And number 2 for the match.
You are right.
All right. And let me try for the piano. I'll take it.
Let me try for the piano, he says. Beautiful prize. Expensive prize, too.
Yeah.
Open these 2 panels. Try it again.
Let's try number 5.
Bedroom set.
Bedroom set. And let's look for the match under number 17.
Man's complete wardrobe. It wasn't a match. Jim, you're still alive.
Okay, number 3, please.
Wild card, the last one in this game.
All right, let's go looking for Tahiti. Is Tahiti still up there? Number 1.
Man's complete
All right,
wardrobe.
take
The
it.
other one we just saw at number 17. So 3 pieces opening up to Jim Reesing. He's got to win to stay alive.
Dudley Do Right.
Looks like it. Dudley do right. And Jim does right. And Jim wins. And Jim goes to the board. Yeah, you better win it. You're going to have 55 seconds.
Okay, we got Dud plus Lee. Robert, who is that Lee? I don't know. Dud, Lee, and Do Right. Dudley Do Right.
Dudley do right. Nicely done. Okay, you've given Bruce his first strike. And that means that when we come back to play game number 2, it's going to be very important to both of you. But we'll see you then, Bruce. For the moment, let's hear about the prizes from Gene. What did Jim win this time?
An electronic typewriter, a diamond onyx ring, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a diamond onyx ring or other top-name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and a man's complete wardrobe. McGregor Apparel and Accessories, a full range of fashionable clothing for today's man, from head to toe and for indoors and outdoors, furnished by McGregor Apparel.
And Jim may not be involved in the next game if he wins a car. And he might well do that with 55 seconds on the clock when we come back. $12,659 in prizes. And now he's going to get a chance, once again, to win a car. Here are the 15 numbered squares. And with 55 seconds on the clock, Jim, you've got enough time to win a car and write home to Mom, telling her all about it. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
1, 8,
Right.
10, 5,
Right.
11, 13,
No.
12, 15,
No.
2, 9,
Yes.
6, 13,
No.
14, 6,
No.
14, 13,
Correct.
11, 3,
No.
12, 6,
Yes.
15, 7,
No.
15, 4,
Yes.
7, 11,
No.
7, 3.
That's it.
Yes!
And you've got a car. At long last. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes, the big hug. Oh, all the family involved. Gene, tell us.
Jim, you've just won this Jeep Wrangler Islander Soft Top. Features a 4.0-liter I6 engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and power steering. furnished by Jeep, a prize worth over $15,200.
And Jim's got his fiancée here and his family. $27,951 in prizes for the young man who will soon be getting married. Good luck to both of you. We'll take a break. We'll come back with a new player after this. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just sent away a very happy champion. Jim winning that new car and a lot of other prizes. And so we are delighted to welcome this newcomer to our show. Sandy Murray is her name.
Hi, how
Hello,
you
Sandy.
doing?
I'm all right. Uh-oh, am I picking up a bit of an accent? Where are you from?
Riverside.
California?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the famous Riverside, California
yeah.
accent. What do you do?
I deliver babies.
Your own?
No, not my own. Other people's. I'm a nurse.
You're a nurse.
Uh-huh.
And you specialize in obstetrics?
In obstetrics, yes.
That's fascinating.
Yeah,
and
it's fun.
That's the best kind of nursing to do, right? You're always smiling. There are always new things happening.
It's wonderful. I love it.
I agree. Maybe you could deliver mine. Mine's due
Sure.
in February.
February? Great.
Okay. You'll
I'll
still
do
be
it.
around?
Absolutely.
Take a look over here and we'll show you one of the prizes.
Benrus Ladies and Gents Gold Tone Watches, Basket Weave Bracelet, Diamond Dial, Precision Quartz Movement Never Needs Winding, furnished by Benrus. Alex.
Lovely watches. Let's show Sandy and Bruce where we can find them on the board at number 21. We've got $600 in the cash pot in this game, players. The 5 bonus car seconds and a California beach resort vacation, but we have just one wild card. Sandy, you're the newcomer. You select first.
Okay, let's go for number 6.
6 it is for a microwave.
Ooh, I don't cook very well, but God, I could use it. Number 7, right next door.
No, green take. Bruce.
Okay, let's go right in the middle to number 13.
Pool table.
Table. And let's look for the match for the pool table under number 10.
Sofa. No match. Sandy.
Okay, number 8.
Luggage.
Okay, let's try for a match for Wild Under 20.
No, California beach resort vacation. Bruce.
Okay, let's try number 12.
California beach resort.
And let's go for number 20 for
There's
the
the
resort.
match, the first match in the
Great.
second game today. And our first look at this puzzle.
I think I'll keep you in suspense, Alex.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Select again.
Let's go for number 11.
Diamond watches for 2.
Oh, and that was under, oh, shoot, I don't remember. Number 21?
Yeah. Yes, I guess he did remember, right, Sandy? You were hoping he was going to blow that one, I know. Let's open these 2 doors.
No, not yet.
Pick again.
Let's go for number 9.
Red take.
Take. Let's see, number 17?
No, a dome tent. Sandy, although you're the newcomer, you have a bit of an advantage in that there's more pressure on Bruce since he has that 1 strike against him already. And you can afford to lose this game. But make a selection now. Make a match.
Give me number 3.
Gourmet pasta and sauces.
Okay, great for an Italian. Number 5.
CC. Green take. Bruce.
I believe we saw the green take under number 7?
Yes?
Yes, and number 5.
7 and 5 is a good combination. She has nothing, so you'll use it for insurance purposes later on. Right now, 2 doors opening up for you again.
Not yet.
Go again.
Let's try number 4. Gourmet pasta. Did we just see that at number 3?
Yes.
That's good.
It's all right. But you're just as good, I'm sure. We'll discover that soon enough. Open these 2 panels.
No. I need to see what's under number 2. Oh, that's the luggage. Let's see. We saw that under number 8, I believe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Another match for Bruce. Another chance to look at the puzzle and solve it.
Nope.
Pick again.
Let's see what's under number 19.
Cash pot.
pot. Oh, I could use that. And let's look for the match under number 22.
5 bonus car seconds. Sandy.
Finally, okay, let's go for number 24.
5 bonus car
And
seconds.
give me that match, 22.
Good
All
match to have in
right.
your prize column, believe me. Open it up on the bottom line. See if it reveals enough to help Sandy solve the puzzle. Ooh. Pick again.
Okay, give me number 23.
Pool table.
Okay, I think I saw that under number 9.
No, that's
No.
the red tape. Bruce.
Thank you. Let's look under number 13.
Pool
And
table.
a match for the pool table under number 23.
That's right.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you have noticed that you have the take, and she has the 5 bonus car seconds.
What the heck? I'll take them now, the 5 bonus.
All right.
Never know.
5 bonus car seconds going up on Bruce's column, and we will open these 2 panels for him.
No, still don't have it. Let's try number 18, please.
Red
Red
take.
take, and match for that, it was under number 9, I believe.
Yes.
All right.
More insurance.
More
Nothing to grab right now,
No,
though. Open it up.
Let's see. Nope, still don't have it.
Select again.
Let's look under number 15.
Dome
Dome
tent.
tent. And the match for that under number 17.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Now, if only I can get the photo.
All right, let's see if you can do it now.
Nope, I still need to see. Let's try number 25, please. Sofa. And let's look for the match for that under number 1.
No match there. Sandy, guess what? Not that many squares remain in play,
I
and
know.
you have a chance.
I know. Give me number 6.
Microwave.
Oh, shoot. Give me number 19.
Oh.
Oh!
Sandy.
Thank you, thank
Bruce.
you. Thank you. Let's take number 1 and a match for the microwave under number 6.
Yeah, Sandy missed that. He had just exposed the microwave just before that.
I
All right, 2 more panels opening up for Bruce.
Great minds think alike.
Well, they usually do, but is that your solution?
That's my solution.
Great minds think alike. And he is correct for a big payoff. Let's go to the board on that one. 1 costly mistake by Sandy.
Okay, we have a crate here for great. We have a mine plus the DZ for mines. Then we have a guy thinking, that's the cloud. I was in a cloud for a while. And then an all and an I and a K for great minds think alike.
Yeah, it's easy to get the big picture, but it's tough to break it down. Yes. All right, Sandy. Oh, gosh, I feel so bad
I'll be
for you
back.
because of that 1 mistake towards the end. But only 1 strike against you, so you'll play again. We'll see you
Okay.
in that
Good
game.
luck, Bruce.
Please, come on over here. You're going to stand with me for a long time because Gene is going to tell you about a lot of prizes. Go, Gene.
A dome tent, a microwave, and gourmet pasta and sauces. Pasta Mama brings convenience to gourmet cooking with its designer line of pasta. Everything from fettuccine Alfredo to their line of dessert pastas and sauces, furnished by Pasta Mama. And luggage, Ventura Collection, world-class luggage designed for fast packing, easy traveling, with easy glide wheels on the Pullman, furnished by Ventura. And a pool table, the Oldhausen Monarch. Features contemporary styling from hand-selected oak solids and veneers. The carefully engineered frame and rails, along with the diamond-honed Italian slate, will help provide professional play and years of family fun. And a California beach resort. You'll spend 6 nights at the Newport Beach Marriott Hotel and Tennis Club, overlooking the Pacific Ocean. A complete resort with fine dining, entertainment, and facilities to keep you relaxed and fit. Furnished by the Newport Beach Marriott Hotel and Tennis Club. And, of course, the lovely diamond watches for 2. And the 5 bonus car seconds. Bruce, you have mined yourself a big prize worth $6,359.
And you're going to get a shot at the cars when we come back. Right after this. Stay there. Game. Here are the 15 numbered squares. Base time is 35 seconds, as you know, but you have the 5 bonus car seconds, so you're going to be dealing with 40. Good luck. Off you go.
Thank you. 1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No again.
7, 9,
No.
10, 6,
No.
10, 4,
No.
3, 13,
No.
6, 14,
No.
15, 7,
No.
1,
That's...
6,
No.
10, 1.
That's it! Yes!
8, 5,
No.
3, 2,
when you didn't make that match on the Fox, 1 was the one number you didn't go back to. You left it stranded there, but that's okay. You've got $6,359. You're a good player. You'll play again for more prizes. We'll take a break, though, right now.
Some of today's participants may receive Franklin's Amazing Language Master. Complete electronic dictionary, thesaurus, and speller. Defines over 80,000 words furnished by Franklin Electronic Publishers. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
See you all next time. So long.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.